GATW starts now.
Hello Jamaica, I am Donna Mar and I'm here in Brixton, London, sending season's greetings to all my family and friends in Jamaica. I want to say greetings to my dad in Kingston, to Melanie in St. Elizabeth and Lanai, to Mr. Hines and all my family and friends in St. Elizabeth. Big up all my past students at Sydney Pagan STEM Academy in St. Elizabeth. Latoya, my math coach friend for life, Mrs. Burnett, greetings to you and your family. Everyone else who I have not mentioned, just know the love is there. I want to say big up Southfield Division, love you to my heart. And Bashi, big up yourself, my girl, love you, like cook food. Everyone else, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Season's greetings coming from me, London, love you.
So this is Deborah and Bella live from Toronto, Canada. Just want to send prayers out to all my family and friends and everybody in Jamaica and season's greetings. I know this Christmas is going to be a very rocky one, but together we will stand. One love Jamaica and we'll build back the nation. So big up to my cousin Karen, Dania, Raymond, Munchie, Mello, Auntie Tasha,
to Nathaniel, Levi, Izzy, Snow, Fob, and Pookie and Nyla.
Oh, Nathaniel, Levi, Roger, Stacy, Wendy, Dominique, Fresh, Prudence, everybody. Merry Christmas, Jamaica!
Hello, Jamaica. My name is Lance McNeil. I left there a long time ago, but my heart is still with you, Jamaica. And right now, I know we're going through a disaster from Hurricane Melissa. I just hope that we have a good recovery. I know a lot of people in New York, they're hoping that Jamaica can build better. But most importantly, you know, I feel for the people who have been really affected by this hurricane, and I hope that everything works out for them. Special shout out and special greetings to my family and friends, my family, especially from Cornwall College, my alumni, and also my cousins, Ian Daly and Merle Stevens, and also my sister Zeta McNeil, my brother-in-law Ray Winter, and all my good folks, you know, from my primary school. So Merry Christmas, Jamaica, and a Happy New Year.
Hi, I'm Zaina from London. Just sending Christmas greetings to my nan, Cherry from Alligator Pond, my family in Junction, Nadine Clark, Tia, all of my friends. Just sending you a happy Christmas and have a lovely New Year when it comes, and I hope we all live to see many more. Also, I just want to say how heartbreaking it is to see how Jamaica is, and we as a team, we as a family need to just come together, build together, each one help one, and we'll get there in the end. Merry Christmas, Jamaica!
Greetings across the world. Greetings across the world.
Let's stay connected this holiday season with Greetings Across the World, brought to you by JN Money and JN Bank.